Hi, Melanie here at Bell Camper Sales. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a 360-degree video of one of our new campers. This is a 2021 KZ Sportsmen 261BHKSE. This does have bunks in the rear and private sleeping quarters up front. Some outdoor cooking on this one too. That's a popular seller with the layout of this one, so I can't wait to share some of the amenities with you. As I'm pointing out some of the things, you're welcome to move the video around and just look at some of the things that you want to see closer. So we're going to begin here in the main living area. As you come in the entrance of the door, there is a wall for your entertainment center that already includes the Bluetooth soundbar. You can connect to that and control the speakers indoor and outdoor, so music and audio there for you, and lots of cabinet space below where your TV can hang on the wall, and some shelving unit there. Right past that is your sofa and this wonderful slide out, which does give you all the space wall to wall here. Great windows for a view, and these do have the nice privacy shades that can be pulled down, block out some of that sun. And your Jackknife Sofa here has the armrest in the middle, but does fold out easily to accommodate an additional guest here in your main living area. And then sits back up this way. Below it is another space that you can utilize for storage. It just drops down. These are magnetic, and you can put blankets and pillows and other things, or totes under there. And next to that is your Dinette Booth, and this can also convert easily to accommodate an additional guest here in the main area. And then of course in the corner you do have the bunk beds for little ones or adults, because these are open. They have windows, there's space here, and of course you do have the little ones, the ladder's already attached for you, easy to get up and down. And then some additional storage space right under there. So next is on the opposite side is all of our kitchen. You do have a window here above all this wonderful counter space, which we love in our RVs. Drop down farm style sink that's stainless steel here. And then full storage underneath the sink, so definitely you can put a trash can or something larger there. And then you do have drawers for additional storage. 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover here for additional counter space, but this does fold back to be your backsplash as you're cooking. And then it does have your oven if you wanted to get those biscuits and gravy going at the campsite. Above that is your microwave. We do have a hood here, a hood vent to vent out when you're cooking inside. Now, one of the things we also love about this is the big refrigerator that comes with it. And this is a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. And it does have deep storage. Freezer has a lot of space too, and easy to be able to see what's in there. Move back just a little bit here. I want you to see the amount of storage space that's in this closet. So it does have the wardrobe hanger up top for any of your guests staying that might have some hang up clothes, and then shelves for your pantry items here in the kitchen, or if you wanted to add shelves, make it all pantry item, you could do that too. And across from the bunks is the access to your bathroom. This camper does have 2 entrances. You have your main door, and then there is an additional door coming into the bathroom from outside, which is nice if you're entertaining outside or have kids. They can come in through the bathroom, clean up before they come into the main part of the camper. This one does have your stand-up shower. I'll move you in here with me. Sink here with some additional storage underneath. Mirror on the wall here, and then of course you have your shower and foot flush toilet, fan vent, and then some hooks here just hang up towels and things on the back. Next up is going to be the main bedroom. Alright, so here's the private sleeping quarters for front of the part of the camper. Queen size bed with dual wardrobe here, full size, actually with deep space at the bottom so you can add shoes. And then a shelf above the bed with these nice little end tables or shelves on the side of your bed there for phones, electronics, and you have the charging port. Bench to sit down on as you put shoes on, and also you have your connections if you wanted to add a TV here in the bedroom. This camper has a lot of great amenities. Can sleep a large family, and it's still very lightweight to tow. There's your pocket door for a little more privacy here in the main bedroom. We hope that you'll come down to Bell Camper Sales here in Bartlesville. We're right off Highway 75. We'd love to show you our full inventory of new and used RVs and find some that fits what you're looking for. My name is Melanie. Come on down. Let's get you camping.